What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Oh, my necklace really pops when I wear black. Looks cool. So we're going to go over our friend MATIC, currently sitting at 0.80, down 3.26 on the day, seeing market cap of 6.71 billion. Had another commenter that said, can you please not make that noise when you say the market cap? Well, can you please go back to the abyss from which you came? All right. We're sitting at a 24-hour volume of 469 million. So let's hop into the chart. It's going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see here, I took a sniper short position, which I posted in the Discord. MATIC short entry 0.81. And as you can see, it was right before the drop. So I said here, is your name Jax? And I said, please just call me Canadian Sniper. But you have to be humble in the crypto space, because crypto will break you at your knees sometimes and cause you to be humble pretty quick. All right, guys. So if you want my exact entries, exits, take profits, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. So as you can see here, we are starting to break down. We did have a rising wedge pattern. We could be looking at like some sort of A, B, C, D, E, where we came up in an A, B, C, D, E, and now we started to break down. Actually got it pushed up once again. It could be like a W, X, Y, X, Z. But anyways, guys, we have started to break down. So we are still in the wave 4 pullback zone, which is the bullish wave count that we completed at a larger wave 3. We're seeing a wave 4, looking for a wave 5. So that's not invalidated until we come down and break 0.66. I'm just going to take this out. We're still technically in our wave 4 pullback zone. So we can, the bullish scenario, we bounce and we see a wave 5. However, guys, as I've been mentioning, I do think this is a relief rally. We broke out of this large ascending channel. I'm not much of a patterns trader, as I always mention here, but your technical target's all the way down at the bottom of the channel, which is the previous low for MATIC. Let me look at the daily. Yeah, big bearish divergence on the daily time frame, higher highs, lower highs. It is starting to play out while money is flowing out. Your next strong levels of support about 0.0748 and about 0.068. That's most likely the levels I'll look to take profits on the trade here. We'll have to see what happens. If we look at this chart here, I do think we're seeing an overextended wave 4 and still looking for one more wave down in the market. I've been taking a lot of heat for it in the comment section. I could be wrong, but your next strong level of support is all the way down here at about 18 cents. If we let me pop this. Hope you're doing well. Hope your pets are healthy, and hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So we can see here our next strong level of support in between about 25 to about 18 cents. If we do come down and break this low, the bullish scenario is that we've completed the 5-wave move and we're looking for a reversal, but I don't think it's a likely scenario. I think either we see one more wave down or we see quite a steep wave 2 pullback for our friend MATIC, but I could be wrong. Everybody in the crypto space can be wrong, and if they don't say that in their videos, then they're arrogant assholes, in my opinion. All right, so that's basically it for MATIC. In the short term here, we have broken out of this, broken down from this rising wedge. Technical target is at the bottom of the wedge at about 0.076, but your next stronger levels of support down here at about 0.0733. Support here, support in this area, and support right back here. So maybe where MATIC is looking to come down to as support and resistance are a magnet for the price, and then 0.066, which is the 0.5. The bullish scenario is that this is a bearish fake out. We bounce to the upside and we put in a wave 5. A little bit less likely in my opinion, but anything is possible. A lot of people refer to these as scam candles or market manipulation, but all it is the whales liquidating the shorts. People go long, drops back down, liquidates the longs, and then you see your move to the downside. We'll see what happens here. That's what I'm looking at, some strong bearish volume, but of course anything can happen. I've seen it. Crypto's crazy where it goes like this. It pushes up, liquidation, comes down, liquidation again, and then pushes to the upside. Sometimes that does happen, but I think there's a little bit more confluence of a move down here, in my opinion. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits in a MATIC short, a sniper entry, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. It's only $10 a month, and you can sign up through the Patreon. Check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. That's my favorite exchange. Highly recommend it. I need to get like an ND filter so it doesn't look like I'm in heaven here. And I'll see you in the next video. Nothing wrong with that though. Peace. All right, much love.